making it down the 2 kilometers to the start of the nature trail with virtually no traffic early on a Saturday morning. It should be a real pleasure today in the sunshine to travel through. It's the first time in months traveling this trail that I've seen a deer. The construction for the new subdivision adjacent to the trail has totally decimated their paths and ways of traveling in and around. So it's wonderful to see this little girl standing there checking me out. And she's off into the woods. Good for her. Don't go far, little lady. I will pass by and you can go back. We had quite a bit of rain over the last 24 to 36 hours, but it's really done very little to raise the water level in the creek. And of course, with the wind this morning, it's feeling rather like autumn instead of the end of July. We're not quite ready to let go of the heat yet, are we? Well, things are looking a little different this morning at the Princess Louise Park Show Center. There is a quarter horse show going on, and for the first time in a long time, the parking lot is full, the campground area is full, and I strongly suspect several of the barns are full. This is wonderful for the community, for the horse people, and for the facility. Morning. On my way home, up around the Earnhardt Road, the sun has vanished, hopefully just temporarily, and the sky's gotten rather dark. So I'm kind of hoping to make it home before anything starts falling from the sky that's cold and wet. So far it's been a very pleasant ride all the way around. Sky to my right, black sky to my left. And the fields are incredibly green after all the rain we've had.